I'm a 16-year-old video editor and have made around $300 from editing in just the past few weeks. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can start your editing career in just 3 steps. The first step would be learning editing, for which you don't need to pay for any high-priced courses or anything. Just go to YouTube and see some basic tutorials on Premiere Pro. Learn about all the tools and basic usage of Premiere Pro. Or you can take help from various channels like Finzar, Jamfam, or even me. Now, after learning editing, you have to build up your portfolio to show to your potential clients. And the question is, what to edit, as no one's going to give you work without any previous work to show. So here are a few methods you can use to get work experience. First method would be downloading your favorite YouTuber's stream. Download it, chop it, and edit it as a stream highlight or YouTube Shorts clip. Secondly, there are a few servers where people post free work requests, and you can work for them to gain experience. Thirdly, there is something which I don't recommend much. Create your own content and edit it. It's a headache. Now you know how to edit, have a portfolio. The question comes now, how to get clients, which might be the hardest part. There are some freelancing sites like Fiverr, Upwork, where you can find clients, but we all know how much they are helpful. Rather, join the Discord servers linked in the description. People post a lot of work there for which you can DM them with just a small message like, "Hello sir, I am a video editor and want to apply for the work you posted," and attach your portfolio to it. Then just wait for the reply. You might get it or you might not, but just keep trying. While working with new clients, be cautious. Always watermark your work or take 50% payment before handing in the final work. I hope you find it helpful. Let me know in the comments if you need a dedicated video on each part of this video.